All right, listen to this for a second.
I've been using this Farmstay O2 Aquafoam Cleanser daily and it feels so refreshing. It cleans deeply without drying my skin, and honestly, my face feels super soft after every wash. Perfect for everyday use, even if you have sensitive skin.
What if I tell you that you can create ultra-realistic UGC ads without hiring models, without shooting videos, and without touching a camera at all? Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, this tool makes it possible in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how you can turn a simple product image into scroll-stopping videos that look 100% real. Let's get started. So today I am using Arcade AI to create this type of real video ads. You will find its link in the description below. And yes, this will be a unique and discounted link. Once you sign up, you'll see a very clean and easy to use dashboard right in front of you. Here, you'll find separate options to generate talking videos and AI videos. But if I click on See More, then you'll notice there are many different tools, models, and presets available here. Especially the presets. You'll find some really unique ones that you don't usually see everywhere. So let's try a few presets and see how they actually work. First, let's check out the Unboxing POV preset. With this, you can virtually create a POV unboxing video for almost any product. And honestly, this feature is truly amazing. I really don't think any other tool is offering something like this right now. As you can see, there are many impressive templates available here. So I'll just select any one template from here and click on Remix. After that, you simply upload your product image here, then hit enter and generate the video. And now you can see it for yourself. A realistic POV unboxing video has been generated. And wow, it actually looks really good. A normal person honestly cannot tell whether this video is AI generated or real. The quality is absolutely decent. Make sure you try videos like this on Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts because they can perform really well. Now let's move on and try the Show Your App feature. With this option, you can display any screenshot or image virtually inside a mobile phone right in the hands of your avatar, and it looks extremely real. So here, I'll simply select any template, and you'll notice there are plenty of templates to choose from. Then upload your screenshot and generate the video. And boom, our video is ready. Just look at this, it feels so realistic. Honestly, this is a very unique feature and you should definitely give it a try. Now let me show you an even more amazing feature, which you might have seen in photos before, but probably not in video form. And that feature is the Virtual Clothing Showcase. With this, you can showcase any outfit in a video in a very stylish and realistic way, and then easily post that video on Reels or TikTok. As you can see here, multiple fashion video templates are available. I'll simply select any one template from here, then upload a dress again and generate the video. And just look at the magic. Once again, the video quality is top-notch. It looks 100% real. And yes, by creating videos like this, you can grow your fashion page very quickly. All right, so make sure you try all these features for sure. Now let's move to the main feature where we can create ultra-realistic UGC-style videos like this in just a few minutes. For that, first we'll create a talking avatar from scratch. So simply select Talking Actors, then click on Add Actor. And here you can see there are already many ultra-realistic AI actors available, and honestly, they look very real. But since we want a unique UGC actor, we'll click on Create Actor. After that, you'll see two options: generate an actor from scratch or upload a photo if you already have one. So we'll click on Generate. Now here, you need to paste a well-defined prompt. You can type a short prompt as well, but if you want a more accurate and realistic AI actor, it's better to generate a detailed prompt using ChatGPT and then paste it here. After that, set the aspect ratio and hit Generate. Within a short time, 3 AI actors will be generated for you. After that, simply select the actor and click on Select Your Actor. All right, now add the script here. This is the script your actor will speak. I'll add a random script here for now and then click on Turn into Talking Actor. Keep in mind, this step will use 2 credits, so make sure you remember that. Then check I confirm and click on Turn into Talking Actor. After this, choose a perfect voiceover from here. There are many voice options available, so just pick the one that sounds best to you. Then click on Pick Voice. Within a few minutes, your realistic AI actor will be generated. So while that's processing, let's learn how to create UGC-style videos and UGC ads like this, because they are extremely popular right now. Here, you'll find more than 600 ultra-realistic actors that look very real. You can use filters to choose the best ones according to your need. For now, I'll select this actor and then click on Add Actor. After that, I'll copy-paste my script here. Okay, now there's a special feature here. You can add realistic emotions to your actor. Simply click on Add Emotions, and that's it. Arcade AI will automatically add emotions for you. If you want, you can also add emotions manually. Just type a slash on your keyboard, and you'll see a list of emotions appear. Select any one, and you're done. The emotions will be added to the script. After this, go to the settings section where you can customize the actor's settings, like the video model, audio, and emotions. Then hit enter and generate the video.
Skincare isn't just about looking good. It's about keeping your skin healthy every day. Simple habits like cleansing properly, staying hydrated, and using sunscreen can protect your skin from damage and early aging. Consistency matters more than expensive products, and a basic routine done daily can give you clear, glowing skin over time.
So you can see the video looks really cool. But yes, this was just a normal talking head video. Now, if you want to create UGC ad videos, simply click on Video. Here, you'll need a proper prompt that includes everything you want to show in your ad. For example, this is a well-optimized prompt that I've prepared with the help of ChatGPT. In this prompt, first I've added the product name and a short description of the product. Then I've included the scene flow, style and motion, and even the dialogues. Don't worry, I'll share all these prompts in the description below. Okay, after that, I've also uploaded the product image here. Now I'll go to the video settings, and from here, I'll change the video model to Sora 2 Pro. Because with this model, you can create a full HD video of up to 12 seconds. I'll set the aspect ratio to vertical and the length to 12 seconds. After that, I'll go to the preset section and select any one Sora 2 actor, then hit enter and generate the video. All right, let's preview the video.
I've been using this Farmstay O2 Aquafoam Cleanser daily and it feels so refreshing. It cleans deeply without drying my skin, and honestly, my face feels super soft after every wash. Perfect for everyday use, even if you have sensitive skin.
So you can see how insanely real the UGC video made with Sora 2 Pro. Honestly, I'm really impressed. This is amazing. ArcAds is truly a powerful AI tool, so make sure you give it a try. Link in the description below. And along with that, also check out this video where I've shared a complete tutorial on creating an AI fitness influencer.